Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today I was cooking a beat, just made the melody, and then I added some Memphis vocals, and then I was just thinking like, bro, I never make a damn live beat. Well, not really live, but I never show you the process of me like clicking it in, and I don't do like the editing for that. But today I'm gonna do it, and then y'all let me know if you like that style, because I could do more of that. I just have to, I have to lock in and make the melody, and then I could throw the drums, but then I could try to make the melody and show you guys how I do that. So I'm gonna give you a quick overview of what I got so far. Let's go. Now that just gave me some damn Halloween vibes. I don't know about y'all, but it just kind of reminds me of like Paris, but a little different. Don't be afraid to use samples, my guys, because I always be going on Splice and shit and then pulling up sounds. I found this one sound. Oh, where is it at? Yeah, this one. I pulled this shit up, and I just liked it. Just gave me like a sexy intro. The new tag go crazy. Thank you, the Fiverr person that did this shit. Made it so fucking gas, because I had my own tags before. They're kind of cheeks, but this one
no sabo, kid.
Splice again. If you do have Splice and you're looking for like Memphis vocals, it kind of has a lot, you know what I'm saying? So just went on Splice, typed in Memphis on the browse search, and then I found this this pack right here. I just went through and shit, there's a hella shit. But if you want to like go through it faster, just put vocals. Boom.
Enemies to get with that ass. Ain't no hesitation. If you step, you get a rate. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a rate.
And this is what we got so far. No drums except for that one sample.
If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a rate.
For some reason, when I have that shit together, shit, I get the vision, I get the vision. I always use hi-hats to guide me, so I'm just gonna go through this shit.
If you step, you get a race. If you step, if you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a.
Put that shit on C. You want a two-step it. Control B. Oh shit, got the twofer right here. There we go.
If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a.
And I'm not gonna add rolls yet because it's just my process. It's so much easier for me to just put two-step hi-hat pattern straight, throw in the snare, and then I do my drum pattern, and then I add the rolls after. My process, give it a try if you're having trouble, and maybe it'll help you. Okay, you know what? See, shit like this is what just brings the vision of mine. I'm doing it. I'm fucking doing it. I'm putting that shit in the back end right now. And I'm gonna throw my mixer preset on this. Aggressive. Let's just see how it sounds. Yeah, it's beautiful, bro. That's why I have that. And I want a different snare, maybe for like the regular on the 3. Took a minute. Usually I jump between the 808s and the kicks. It just helps me, sometimes you're just feeling a damn different vibe, and I'm feeling a damn different vibe.
If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a rate. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a rate. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a rate. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a.
Copy paste it. Boom. Now we just gotta adjust it. Don't be afraid to just go to this thing. Oh shit. Let's see if I can figure it out real quick.
If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a rate. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a.
Before I continue, I'm gonna throw this master preset on the master.
If you step,
oh my god, do you guys hear that?
If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a rate. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a.
Lied, actually, deadass.
Get a race. If you step, you get a
on this bad boy. I like doing the small studio preset on my reverb, and then I just adjust the wet knob. That's all I do. Real quick.
If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a rate. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a
And now we're gonna do the hi-hat rolls. So we're going back to the hi-hats.
If you step, you get a. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a. Step, you get a race. If you step, you get a.
I'm gonna do that for the first pattern, and then I'm just gonna adjust the velocities, and then we're just gonna copy and paste it to the right side. Let's do that right here. Boom, boom. Let's go. Do a little up roll, little up roll. I'm just gonna do this part manually. We're just gonna see how it sounds. I like getting a crash and then reversing it right before a snare. So let's see. Boom, verse.
If you step, you get a. If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a.
Now we have everything. I'm gonna arrange this shit really quick, then we're gonna come right back. Okay, so let's give it a moment, arrange this beat, come back. We're finally done with the arrangement. That shit took me 20,000 damn years, but we got it. So I made this whole damn song using my drum kit and a little bit of samples, but everything else from my drum kit, Ashes and Echo drum kit. If you do like how the drums sound, just check it out. And then if you do sign up, you also get a 10% discount, and then maybe in the future you get a bigger discount if you're not ready. But who knows? We'll find out. It is definitely worth the price though. So without further ado, let's check this shit out, see what I got. Thank you guys, and you have a good one. Please join the Discord. Please join the Discord. Please join the Discord.
No sabo, kid.
If you step, you get a race. If you step, you get a rate. If you step, you get a